Hello, hello. Save. I just need to make sure all of this is working. Okay. Yep, that's good. Desktop audio, I think is working. Let me test. I'll just quickly put on some music. I don't have Streamlabs anymore, so this will be a little scuffed is the word, I think, because I don't have any transitions. I don't have any of that. I'm just using OBS straight to YouTube. So we will see how this goes. I just need to quickly, I would like to set up some music for this. So I will do that. I just need to get Spotify up. Hello, hello. Let's go with lo-fi music. And then I'll explain what I'm doing. I just need to check whether the music actually comes through or not. This is going to get copyright striked, but that's okay. Let me turn that down a little bit. Okay, let's check if that's actually coming through. It is not. Okay. I probably should have done this debugging before going live, but that's okay. I hope whoever is there listening right now does not mind me debugging this. Do I need to add display capture, audio output capture? Hey, thank you for saying that. I appreciate it. I see the little comment. That's cool. I haven't live streamed in a long time. I'm planning to live stream for at least a few hours today. Okay, I think the music is coming through now. Let me know in the chat if the music is coming through and if it's too loud. Oh, I think I might have removed my microphone accidentally. Can't hear music. Okay, can you hear me though? Hello, everyone. You can hear? Yeah, lo-fi. You can hear me? Music is good? You can still hear me okay? I'll get off of the YouTube dashboard in a second. Can hear music and can hear you. Perfect. All right. Let me drag this to the side then, so I can still see the chat. And let me bring up this. And actually, I'll quickly set up the GitHub for it as well. I don't know if I've done that yet. Hello, Alexander. How's it going? Okay, hang on. I'm tabbing out of chat. I'm not going to see it for a second. Let me bring up this here. Okay, so the plan for today is, I'm not sure if any of you have seen the other video called The Plan, where I explained that I have a presentation about charismatic AI in like a week and a half. So thank you, Maker Fafa. I appreciate it. But the plan is like a week and a half from now. I have a presentation, and I don't have charismatic AI right now, and so I have some notes in this thing that I took on what makes people charismatic, and so I'm going to try to implement as much of that as possible into just a ChatGPT agent. That's what the goal of this live stream is. My family is currently not here, and I don't know when they're coming back, but my plan is to live stream until like at least 4. When they come back, I'll just go upstairs, but at some point I'll have to take a break to go make and eat lunch. So let me open up GitHub here. I like using emojis in my GitHub messages. I think it just makes it nicer. Let's say added project. And I should probably quickly add the GitHub to the description. I will do that. Project Muse, Orion. There we go. GitHub. Okay, cool. So, currently, let me run this. I don't actually know how well it's working right now. This should just be like a base GPT agent with a character description for Orion. Orion is the AI that I'll be making charismatic or whatever. I need to make my virtual environment. Okay. I'll quickly do that and install the libraries. 480, 480p. Okay, let me see if I can change that. I would like it to be slightly higher than that. Output. Let's see. Okay. I think I can fix the resolution, but I will have to stop the output and then turn it back on again. So I'll be back in a minute. I'm just going to quickly stop output and then return with hopefully higher resolution. All right, I should be back, I think. Hello, hello. Is the resolution any better? Okay, I'll just keep going for now. And it is not my first live stream. The first live stream I've done, I used to do a lot of live stream, or not a lot, but I did some live streams for a evolution simulation project that I was working on, but I haven't worked on that in a while, and I haven't done live streams for this project yet. Yeah, so it's my first one for this project. Okay, 720. That's progress. My internet is kind of slow because I live in the middle of nowhere, so I'll leave it at 720 for now. I hope you're able to see all right. I can zoom into the code a little bit more, just to make it slightly more visible in the lower resolution. But I don't want to kill my internet. So, okay. So, I need to make a virtual environment. So Python env and then download the OpenAI library. Yes. Okay, and then here I need to install OpenAI. It's just taking a while to load. I guess in the meantime, let me get the notes out of my brain here for what I want to do today. Just need to find them again. 5200.1. Yep. Those. And okay. All of these. Is it still creating the virtual environment? Oh, it's done. Okay, awesome. I can pip install, or no, I need to activate it first. /venv scripts activate. Uh-oh, what's uh-oh? Live stream ended accidentally? It's still fine on my side. I guess we'll find out on YouTube soon. It still looks fine on my side. Okay. Now that I have activated the environment, then I can pip install OpenAI. Perfect. Okay. So, the main thing that I want to implement today, first thing I want to implement today, is to give Orion give it opinions, because one of the things that's the most boring person you can ever talk with is someone who has no opinions on anything. And so what I want to do, and that's kind of the case with ChatGPT right now, it tries to be as neutral as possible with its answers. I would like to make it so Orion, which is what I'm naming this charismatic AI, will respond with an opinion. And so basically there's a few steps to get opinions working. Step 1 is to detect whenever a new topic is brought up in conversation. And step 2 is to generate an opinion on that topic. And then step 3 is to continue the conversation with that opinion. And then whenever a new topic is brought up, it should repeat that process. And what I'm hoping is that what I'm thinking for the opinion generation is to generate a list of like 10 viewpoints or opinions on a topic, and then randomly select one from that list. So then if you're talking with it on things that are similar, it'll have different opinions on those things, and then GPT itself will have to like piece those together in the same way that when GPT hallucinates for the first time, it'll like snowball that hallucination. I'm hoping that even though it might have two like opposing beliefs or opinions, it'll come up with a reason for how they fit together. So I am going to run the script to see how this is working right now, because right now it's just like, it should just be just like a base GPT agent, except it should be responding as Orion, which is this GPT generated character description of what Orion is. I am doing quite well. How are you doing, Mr. Horn? So let's run this. I need to set my environment, run Python file. I think I can get rid of that. Yeah, so now I should be able to talk with it. Hello. How's it going? Nope. Okay. Missing personalized generate response. It is missing the response variable. So this should be answer. It is giving the response. Oh, it doesn't need the name. Okay. Let's try that again. Some books online. About 20 euros left to spare for my batch. Right now it's on roughly 100 euros. Mostly books about stoicism and intellectualism. Nice. Stoicism is cool. I really like Stoicism. I'm sure you've read Meditations. Let's see. Hello. How's it going? Let's see if this works. Salutations. I'm holding my ground. How can I be of service of you today? Ask Q during this live. I'm worried it will distract. Yeah, you can go ahead and ask questions. It's actually going to be kind of useful for me. I'm live streaming both because when I'm live streaming, I'm actually doing the work. Whereas when I'm not live streaming, sometimes I'll get distracted and just go onto YouTube or like do something else for a bit. But when I'm live streaming, it's probably more efficient to stop and answer questions once in a while than to go off onto like YouTube or something and just watch videos for a bit. So yes, ask questions. I will answer them when I see them. Here. Okay, so it did answer and it personalized the response as well. So that's good. I'll just quickly talk with it a little bit more to see. I would like to have a conversation with you. Right, okay. And then it ends the conversation after like 100 characters. So I will just bump that up to like 10,000. Cool. Mr. Horn, have you read your copy of Meditations, or is it just sitting there? Because it's a small book. I would strongly recommend just reading through it, or not even reading through the whole thing. If you can read through it and find like one idea that you really like, and then implement that into your life, it's so useful. Nice. Yeah. Okay. So the first step is, I did say the first step was to detect when a new topic was added to the conversation, but instead what I will do is I'll just quickly make the method that generates the opinions. Generate opinion on topic. And then we'll take in the topic. This will be a string. And that will be all. So then here, let me just copy some of this. Yeah, let's copy this one. I have a method called prompt GPT, so I can just define the message and then prompt GPT with that message. And it's really simple. So I'll just use that, though I do need to swap out this prompt. Boink. This should be like down here. This, yeah, I agree. It's a slow book. It's something I should read at like a slow pace, and most importantly, implement the things you learn. I don't actually need multiple lines. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. I had actually come up with a prompt on ChatGPT for this. That's ChatGPT. So let's see if that's still working. AI safety. Suggest 10 distinct viewpoints / opinions about the following topic. AI safety. Okay. I'll copy this. Yep, that makes sense. Journaling is also just one of those things that you need to think, like, Aurelius's journals were absolutely insane. Like, I also journal on a frequent basis, and to think, like, there's not much would be useful to anyone else in there. Aurelius, his journals were, like, I don't even know how to start with that. It's insane. I need to cough. I'm gonna mute. Okay. So this should return, or actually, I'll go topics, and I would like to choose one random topic. Does prompt GPT return the string or the dictionary? It returns the string. Okay. Then what I need to do here is extract one topic from something like this. Actually, for now, I'll just return. I'm gonna do a quick test. Return topics. I want to see if it actually prints with the. I'll just comment this out for a second, or put it into a large string. Okay. Instead, I will go print, generate opinion on topic, input, and then ask for a topic. Okay, when you mean I write between 0.5 and 2.5 pages a day, and yep. Some of it indeed might be useful to others, but most of it is for my own benefit. Yep. Let's run this and see. If I go AI safety. Hopefully this doesn't take forever. Okay, nice. Let's run that again. Let's go, like, I don't know. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Let's go Web3. Yep. It generates Web3 is okay. JetBrains products. I've never heard of that. Okay, I like the fact that it's actually generating these. That's cool. I'm actually getting better results from GPT 3.5 than I did using GPT 4, so that's interesting. Okay, now basically every single line break, I need to split it. Yeah. I think that's just using the string split function. Lines equals topics dot split. Return lines. Let's try this again. I'll go cryptocurrencies. Idea ultimate for Python and most web dev, ready for .NET. Nice. Okay, that split it at every single word. Is it split lines? That's what tab 9 says. Split lines. Let's try that. Humanity. It takes a while to generate these topics, so that might be a good sign. 1. Okay, then an empty line, and then 2. And then an empty line, and then 3. Okay, so let's go through each one. For line in lines, if line equals this, then pop, or actually lines dot remove, is it? Model learning process. I'm not actually using reinforcement learning, so this is all just the OpenAI library. I'd like to make a reinforcement model at some point, but because there wasn't any reinforcement learning, I never really had to reward or punish any model. Okay, this should now hopefully just return the full lines. Web3. Okay. Yep, and it's just the next line. Awesome. Okay, so then if it returns... Nicholas, do you have any book recommendations for nonfiction, mostly on intellectualism, or do you read The Intellectual Life? I don't, actually. I haven't read many books on intellectualism. Right now, I've been reading more on cognitive science in general. So, yeah. Let's see. What do I want to name this? First, it gets the string of topics. I'll rename this response. Response. This will be topics. For topic in topics. Should be topics dot is empty line. Let's see, and then what I want to do is select a random topic from this. So topics or topic equal topics. How do I select a random number in Python? I don't remember how to do that. Let's go here. How to select a random element from a list in Python. Random.choice. List. Okay, so I need to import random. Import random. Perfect. Scroll down. Topics equals random dot choice, and then topics, and then I return topic. Do I have Colorama installed? I do not have Colorama. Do I remember how to do this? From Colorama import what is it? Styles. I don't actually remember. I don't actually need it right now, so I'll do that later. I can... Okay. So this should now just return one topic, and it should be a random choice, or one opinion. It should not be named topic, it should be named opinion. Let me go fix that. Opinion equals random choice. Okay. I need to cough again. I'm a little sick right now still. Okay, let's run this. This should give me a random opinion on whatever topic I ask it. Web3. Web3 is a utopian idea that ignores the practical challenges of decentralization. It will lead to fragmentation and lack of standardization, making it difficult for businesses and users to navigate and communicate effectively. Thanks, I appreciate it. The part I hate most about being sick is I can feel myself being dumber. Like I can feel my ability to process information and just do things effectively go down. It's quite annoying. Alright, hopefully it gives a different opinion. Tool for wealthy and technologically privileged, it's complex and those with limited resources and internet connectivity. The digital divide will widen, further exacerbating existing inequalities. Cool. Let's run it one more time with the same topic. Web3. Oh, Cat says hi. Hello, Cat. Do you want to come say hello? Up here? That's a similar answer to number 4. That's okay. It is generating different ones. My cat doesn't like being picked up, so if he pops up higher, then I'll show him. But if he doesn't, then I will not, because he can be mean sometimes. Hello. Let's go Web3 one more time. Do you want to say hello? No? Okay. Web3 is a buzzword and hype with no significant advancements over the current web infrastructure. Yeah. Interesting. Hello. Don't eat my elbow, please. I'd like to still have it. Eh. I can't stop petting him or else he starts eating my elbow. Okay, that seems to be working. Bring that down. Okay, so now the next step. The next step is to get the topics from the conversation automatically. Whenever a new topic is brought up, to generate an opinion, and then give it to Orion to generate its answer. It is difficult to be productive when there is a cat on me. Okay. So I need to get like the keywords from a conversation or something. What would be the best ways to extract a topic out of a conversation? I could. What if I just feed like the full questions into this keyword? Let me look that up. Keyword. I think I've heard of it. Those are my headphones. Here, let me. You okay? No? Okay. Sorry. With BERT, the keyword extraction is done by finding the subphrase in the document that are most similar to the document itself. Keyword. Cool. Okay. That is... Yes, finding the keywords out of a transcript is an approach. The other approach that I might just try right here is what if I just feed the user's question into the topic? Let me bring back this other piece. I'm trying to undo there. Okay, you're actually being very counterproductive. I'm sorry. I gotta put you aside. Okay, I'm gonna undo this for a second. Test something else. How's it going? What if I put that as like the topic query or opinion query? What does it generate as its opinion? Cool. What if I ask it, any plans for tomorrow? Then what happens? Okay, that doesn't work super well, but it might just be on because of my prompt. Let me see if I can change this on the following question. Question/statement. Let's do that. Okay. Any plans for tomorrow? Nice. I'll run that again to see. My cat is playing with my microphone wire. Okay, it doesn't actually work super well, so let's remove that. Then yeah, I should probably do keyword towards data science. Keybert. Thank you, Mr. Horn, for the suggestion. I'll look into this very quickly. The Hugging Face Transformers library, nice. Extract keywords method. Okay, let's try this. So first step, pip install keybert. Yep. Actually, I'll quickly push to GitHub first and remove this. Push to GitHub. Oh yeah, my virtual environment. Yeah, I'll leave it in. Think opinion generation. I need to cough again. That's my shirt. Stop that. Hey, that was my hand. My cat is a bully. I still like him though. I don't know how I still like cats. Because they're mean. What are you doing? Okay, that's just installing. If I need other embeddings. Okay, this should be enough to figure out how to use it. I've seen videos on giving personalities to NPCs using AI. Yes, giving a personality to an AI isn't actually too hard. I've gotten like GPT models to roleplay as different D&D characters or Dungeons and Dragons characters for my campaign, just to I don't know, have fun and see how they would interact. But just having a personality isn't too difficult. It's the generation of more complex opinions, and after having opinions is just one step. Afterwards, there's a bunch of conversational techniques I want to implement to actually have it converse well instead of just asking you what it can do for you or how it can help you. So this is what I'm doing right now is possibly one of the easy parts. This is just taking a while to install. I don't know why it's taking so long. Either way, I can start implementing this. So from keybird, import keybird, and then I need to define the model equals, or I'll call this topic extractor equals, what is it, keybird, and then I'll just do what they have here, distilbird base NLI mean tokens. It's a weird one. Okay. It's fixed. And then we'll go in here, personalized answer, and then print. Going to get a F. I'm going to print a divider, and then dash n. And oh wait, outside the brackets. And then what I want to do is topics. N, and then what we will do here is topic extractor dot extract keywords from the transcript. Yes, transcript. there was a problem. Yes, because Keybert is still installing. Which is weird. Why is it still doing that? Might close this one and open a new one. Pip install Keybert. I made a what? Sorry? Torch 1.6.0. Requirement already satisfied. Installing collected packages. That's why it's taking a while. It's because it's installing a lot of packages. That is a lot. Okay. I would just like it to not take forever, I think. I am going to go get... Oh, I'm getting an error from YouTube. Okay, while it is downloading all of this, I am going to go get water. Yeah, making an NPC remember. It depends how much you want it to remember. If it's just for like one interaction, maybe two, and if they're short interactions, then you can just use the GPT context. But anything more than that, then you need your own like memory system. Hello, I think I'm back. I'm not sure if I am. I'm just trying to download this Keybert, and it's taking a long time. That is a lot. Awesome. Okay. I am going to quickly go fill up a water bottle so then I don't need to get up every time I want water. So I will be back in another minute. What did you do in the meantime? Okay. Has this at least installed some of the libraries? That's a few changes. Some earlier. I don't remember where the link was. Do you want to send it again? You can send it in the chat unless YouTube stops you from doing that. Let me try opening a new terminal one more time. Terminal, new terminal. I just want to pip install Keybert. Pip install Keybert. Did you share it on Discord? Yeah, it didn't appear. You can send it in Discord and then I can try sending it in the chat. Okay, it is slowly installing all of these packages. It's just doing it very slowly. I'll quickly push these to GitHub, I guess. I don't know if it's... I don't know if the standard is to upload your virtual environment to GitHub or not. I'm doing it. Okay, I will get it in a second. Let's see. Added packages. Okay. Yep, I am lagging again. I think it's because... I'm installing packages. Okay, that's it.